Hi there, welcome back to another video. Today I'm excited to share with you a super quick and easy way to add a professional video thumbnail to your web page videos, just like you see on YouTube, using only one line of HTML code. As you continue, let's start by creating a video tag to display the video. This video is quite large, so we'll set the width and height attributes accordingly. Great. Now that our video is displaying properly, let's improve its presentation by adding a thumbnail. You can easily set a thumbnail by adding a poster attributes. And enter your thumbnail link here, and I'm adding an image. Now my video thumbnail was added properly.